1000 frasa percakapan sehari-hari untuk berlatih bicara bahasa Inggris dari nol, episode 5. Saya akan bersantai di rumah. I'm going to relax at home. I'm going to relax at home. Saya akan pergi ke dokter gigi. I'm going to see a dentist. I'm going to see a dentist. Saya akan membuat kue. I'm going to make a cake. I'm going to make a cake. Saya akan sedikit terlambat. I'm going to be a little late. I'm going to be a little late. Saya akan menemuinya, perempuan, di stasiun. I'm going to meet her at the station. I'm going to meet her at the station. Saya ingin menanyakanmu beberapa pertanyaan. I'd like to ask you some questions. I'd like to ask you some questions. Saya ingin pizza untuk makan siang. I'd like to have a pizza for lunch. I'd like to have a pizza for lunch. Saya ingin memikirkannya terlebih dahulu. I'd like to think about it first. I'd like to think about it first. Saya ingin tahu alasannya. I'd like to know the reason. I'd like to know the reason. Saya ingin membuat janji dengan dokter. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor. Saya ingin memesan es krim vanila. I'd like to order some vanilla ice cream. I'd like to order some vanilla ice cream. Saya pikir kamu akan datang. I thought you would come. I thought you would come. Saya pikir mereka akan berada di sini. I thought they would be here. I thought they would be here. Saya pikir kamu benar. I thought you were right. I thought you were right. Saya pikir saya mendengar sesuatu. I thought I heard something. I thought I heard something. Saya mungkin butuh bantuan. I might need some help. I might need some help. Saya mungkin akan berada di sana. I might be there. I might be there. Saya mungkin mengubah keputusan saya. I might change my decisions. I might change my decisions. Saya perlu beristirahat. I need to take some rest. I need to take some rest. Saya perlu membeli beberapa bahan makanan. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. Saya harus pergi sekarang. I need to go now. I need to go now. Saya perlu bantuanmu. I need your help. I need your help. Saya perlu saranmu. I need your advice. I need your advice. Saya ingin menemuimu. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. Saya ingin membeli es krim. I want to buy some ice cream. I want to buy some ice cream. Saya ingin berbicara dengannya, laki-laki, secepat mungkin. I want to talk to him as soon as possible. I want to talk to him as soon as possible. Saya ingin pergi jalan-jalan. I want to go for a walk. I want to go for a walk. Saya lebih suka teh daripada kopi. I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. Saya lebih suka pizza daripada pasta. I prefer pizza to pasta. I prefer pizza to pasta. Saya lebih suka warna biru daripada warna merah. I prefer blue to red. I prefer blue to red. Saya lebih senang berenang daripada melukis. I prefer swimming to painting. I prefer swimming to painting. Saya lebih suka menari daripada bernyanyi. I prefer dancing to singing. I prefer dancing to singing. Saya baru saja bangun. I just woke up. I just woke up. Saya baru saja tiba. I just arrived. I just arrived. Saya baru saja melihatnya, perempuan. I just saw her. I just saw her. Saya baru saja mengetahuinya. I just knew it. I just knew it. Saya sudah mencoba yang terbaik. I've tried my best. I've tried my best. Saya sudah mencoba menghubungimu. I've tried to call you. I've tried to call you. Saya sudah mencoba menyelesaikannya. I've tried to finish it. I've tried to finish it. Saya sudah mencoba menjadi lebih percaya diri. I've tried to be more confident. I've tried to be more confident. Saya tidak punya waktu. I don't have time. I don't have time. Saya tidak punya rencana besok. I don't have any plans tomorrow. I don't have any plans tomorrow. Saya tidak punya apapun untuk dikatakan. I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to say. Kamu sebaiknya beristirahat. You should take a rest. You should take a rest. Kamu sebaiknya mempersiapkan diri untuk ujian. You should prepare yourself for exam. You should prepare yourself for exam. Kamu sebaiknya mengatakan yang sebenarnya. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. Kamu sebaiknya mendengarkan orang tuamu. You should listen to your parents. You should listen to your parents. Jangan pernah menyerah. Never give up. Never give up. Jangan pernah berbohong. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Tidakkah menurutmu ini bagus? Don't you think it's good? Don't you think it's good? Tidakkah menurutmu kita sebaiknya pergi sekarang? Don't you think we should leave now? Don't you think we should leave now? Saya merasa tidak enak badan. I'm feeling unwell. I'm feeling unwell. Saya merasa lelah setelah perjalanan jauh. I'm feeling tired after a long journey. I'm feeling tired after a long journey. Saya merasa benar-benar lelah setelah bekerja seharian. I'm feeling exhausted after working all day. I'm feeling exhausted after working all day. Saya ingin kamu tinggal di sini. I'd like you to stay here. I'd like you to stay here. Saya ingin kamu ikut denganku. I'd like you to come with me. I'd like you to come with me. Saya ingin kamu membersihkan kamarmu. I'd like you to clean your room. I'd like you to clean your room. Bagaimana kalau pergi ke toko buku? How about going to the bookstore? How about going to the bookstore? Bagaimana kalau pergi ke Bali liburan ini? How about going to Bali this holiday? How about going to Bali this holiday? Bagaimana kalau mencoba masakan Italia? How about trying some Italian food? How about trying some Italian food? Apakah kamu yakin tentang hal itu? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Apakah kamu yakin tentang apa yang kamu katakan? Are you sure of what you said? Are you sure of what you said? Apakah kamu yakin kamu bisa melakukannya? Are you sure you can do it? Are you sure you can do it? Sudahkah kamu menyelesaikan pekerjaanmu? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? Sudahkah kamu mengirim laporannya? Have you sent the report? Have you sent the report? Sudahkah kamu bersihkan kamarmu? Have you cleaned your room? Have you cleaned your room? Sudahkah kamu makan? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Saya tidak ingin makan makanan pedas. I don't want to eat spicy food. I don't want to eat spicy food. Saya tidak ingin membuang waktu. I don't want to waste the time. I don't want to waste the time. Saya tidak ingin berbicara sekarang. I don't want to talk now. I don't want to talk now. Apakah kamu pandai berenang? Are you good at swimming? Are you good at swimming? Apakah kamu pandai memasak? Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking? Apakah kamu pandai melukis? Are you good at painting? Are you good at painting? Apakah kamu punya waktu? Do you have time? Do you have time? Apakah kamu punya janji temu? Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? Apakah kamu punya pulpen? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Apakah kamu punya saudara kandung? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Waktunya pergi. It's time to go. It's time to go. Waktunya belajar. It's time to study. It's time to study. Waktunya membersihkan kamarmu. It's time to clean your room. It's time to clean your room. Waktunya sekolah. It's time for school. It's time for school. Waktunya kerja. It's time for work. It's time for work. Waktunya tidur. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. Saya siap untuk pergi. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Saya siap untuk mengikuti lomba. I'm ready to join the competition. I'm ready to join the competition. Saya siap untuk memulai bisnis baru. I'm ready to start a new business. I'm ready to start a new business. Tunggu saya. Wait for me. Wait for me. Tunggu keputusan akhirnya. Wait for the final decision. Wait for the final decision. Bolehkah saya minta waktumu sebentar? May I have a minute of your time? May I have a minute of your time? Bolehkah saya minta waktu 5 menit lagi? May I have 5 more minutes? May I have 5 more minutes? Bolehkah saya minta tambahan waktu? May I have some additional time? May I have some additional time? Bagaimana kamu pergi kerja? How do you go to work? How do you go to work? Bagaimana kamu pergi sekolah? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Bagaimana kamu berlatih bahasa Inggris? How do you practice your English? How do you practice your English? Bagaimana kamu menghabiskan waktu luangmu? How do you spend your spare time? How do you spend your spare time? Bagaimana kamu menikmati liburanmu? How do you enjoy your holiday? How do you enjoy your holiday? Bagaimana kamu mengatur waktumu? How do you manage your time? How do you manage your time? Bagaimana kamu berkomunikasi dengan temanmu? How do you communicate with your friend? How do you communicate with your friend?